Hey Spidey, can you check my head, as I feel like something's fallen on top of it? I don't really see anything, Green Goblin. Really? Because I feel like something is crawling on top of it. I just need to shake it off. Ah, spiders! I'm out of here! Haha, tricked him again. Hi guys, today we are going to review Play-Doh Spiderman and Green Goblin Can-Heads playset. Creative minds behind the Play-Doh toys have now turned the iconic Play-Doh cans into can-head heroes. Let's open this pack up and check out what's inside. First out of the box is the Green Goblin can head that has green Play-Doh inside. Next one out is the Spiderman can head, and it has light blue Play-Doh inside. All of the other parts of this playset are in this plastic bag, so I'm just going to cut it open and check out what's inside. Here are Spidey's legs, and we just pop on his can head to make an action figure. Now let's make Green Goblin and pop his head on. The pack also includes Green Goblin's glider with molds and the Spider-Man's spider web. Check out the bottom of Spidey's feet. It has a spider stamper, and the bottom of Green Goblin's feet have a pumpkin bomb stamper. Let's begin by making a little spider using the bottom of Spider-Man's feet and some blue and green Play-Doh. Next, let's create a pumpkin bomb for Green Goblin. Using the mold on the Green Goblin's glider, we're going to make him a sword. There are other molds on the slider we can use to decorate it or to create various weapons for the ultimate Spidey vs Green Goblin fight. We are done playing with Play-Doh, and let's make our action heroes. Now we'll just pop our Green Goblin on his slider and arm him with a pumpkin bomb and a sword that we made out of Play-Doh. Our Green Goblin can-head looks very evil, and he is ready to fight Spidey. It's time to complete Spidey. Let's pop his head on and arm him with his spider web and Play-Doh spider. I love the smirk on Spidey's face. He's ready to save the day. Once you've finished with Play-Doh creations, you can just play with the Can-Head heroes as action toys. Thanks for watching this episode of Toys and Surprises. You will be a real superhero if you click that subscribe button. Till next time!